So I finally finished putting this thing back together. That's what she looks like. We got two fans at the top, one in the back, my motherboard in there, got my video card, my Wi-Fi card in there, 1, 2 in the back, 3 over here, 1, 2, 3, there's the front.
I love you, Dad.
USB 3 at the top, 2 USB 2s, my reset switch, and she's running like a charm. Only one problem though, in this corner, I don't know if you can see it, but I got a nice little dent on this corner, and then I decided to look at this one, and I got this on it, on my second case. So I'm gonna have to call them and message them back and tell them, hey, this is why you pay the $3 insurance. I need a new glass. The case on mine is fine. It's dented a little bit. The rivet gave out, no biggie. I fixed it, put a screw in it. It's fine. This one, so far everything looks good. Just this one piece, that's it. That was the only thing wrong with it that I can see so far. I didn't see no other bends or anything. So far I like the case. It looks good. It's spiffy. And I tell you this much, my cooling unit is a lot better now. Look at that. My main board, my CPU, under 85 for my CPU. Both CPUs. Oh, that's a GPU. Sorry, it's at 82. My CPU's at 86. My main board's at 86. Dude, normally this was over 100 at, if not more, when I'm playing a game. That is fucking cool. I like it. I like it a lot. Awesome. Enjoy, guys. This is the best thing I've bought so far. So far I like it. Other than the shipping problems, I think it's a decent machine.